Hi there, it's Colin here. Sorry, I just got a response from my previous vlog about the implant hiring itself again. And I know you said to your doctor, it's actually gone at the moment, so that's why my voice is gone. I know you said to your doctor that you told him about the one I had and the settings, and he seemed to be looking into it or something like that, you said in your comment. Well, I'll just explain to you. I have the brochures here, the VNS brochures, and I want to read through a few facts in case you want to know more about it, or if your doctor is not quite sure, maybe he's sure, I don't know, but I'm just reading through a few of the facts that can help you out to decide if you want to get it. So let's get straight into it. Right, the model is called Sentiva, Sentiva. That's the model I have, Sentiva, and at the moment it's the newest and most it's the current one on the market, basically, the newest one that has come out. It's a Sentiva model, and it's about the size of, I don't know if you can see that. That's about the size of it. That's the implant itself. Sorry if this is in reverse, it's because of the camera. So I'll explain what setting it has. It has the normal setting, the normal cycle. Okay, Finn's here with his bone. It has a normal cycle setting that every model has, that goes off every 5 minutes to 30 seconds. You know what I'm talking about. It has the magnet mode as well. Where are you? Yeah, it has the magnet mode as well. But there is two new settings that have been put into this particular model, which are a scheduled programming. That's what I've been talking about, the scheduled programming that my VNS has been hiring by itself. Plus, there's one called day and nighttime programming, which I'll get into in a little bit now. But I'm going to explain to you about the scheduled programming that you were asking about, and you were asking your doctor about. I will just look it up here. Yes, I don't. By the way, just before I move on, there's another mode as well called detect and respond mode, which is to do with the heart. So let's say you go into a seizure, but just before or during you're in a seizure, your heart rate will spike. Now, I don't mean it'll gradually go up. I mean it'll go up really suddenly, and that will the implant will detect it and send off an impulse to try and stop the seizure. I'm not sure if previous models have it, like the Aspire SR and Demipulse and that. I don't know if they have it, but just I'm putting that out there to say that the Sentiva model has it, the detect and respond mode. Let me see. I'm reading into this actually myself. What is the day and nighttime feature? I am just, yes, the day and nighttime feature. It is kind of, let's say you suffer more seizures in the morning and less at nighttime, or vice versa. You suffer less in the morning or more at nighttime. If you know what I'm talking about. The day and nighttime programming can be set so let's say you suffer more seizures in the daytime, you're at risk of more in the daytime. Your doctor or nurse can program the Sentiva device to go off more often in the daytime and less at night if you suffer less seizures at night, or vice versa. It can go off more at nighttime and less in the daytime. So that would be the day and nighttime programming. But like I said, the scheduled programming, that is, you said you were asking about it and your doctor wasn't sure. He was looking into it. Basically, the way it worked was when I went to the nurse to get it turned on, she had the iPad and the wand, and the way it works is, the way I saw her doing it is, she holds the wand here to the implant, and she types in the parameters. The parameters are how far it should go and the level it should go up to. So I know you were talking to your doctor about it. The thing is, he can program it. If you get this into your model, I don't know whether you already have it, you might have an Aspire SR or a Demi Pulse or a previous model to that. I have the most current one on the market. As I was saying, it's your doctor is kind of in charge of the setting, the schedule programming, the pre-programming. So he will get his wand or whatever on the iPad and program it in, let's just say, every 2 weeks, higher to a certain point. And then at the end of all that settings, I'm going again. At the end of all that settings, they could set it for higher to 0.1 milliamps and then stop and don't go any higher. That's what they will program in. So it'll gradually grow bit by bit until it reaches the level of 1 milliamp, and then it doesn't rise any higher. And that will be the information your doctor will have programmed in. So if your doctor is thinking, oh, I don't know about this because he doesn't know much about it, I'm giving you as much information as I can personally because I have it. Now when I got it switched on, the nurse didn't do the day and nighttime programming. She only did the scheduled programming, which is the one I'm telling you about, which is it gradually hires itself. But yeah, she set it for the maximum level it's meant to go to and stop at is 0.1 milliamp, and it won't go any higher. She has set that in the machine, so she knows what level it'll reach, the highest point it will reach to, and no more. It won't go any more than that level. So it's your doctor. If you get that model in, your doctor will be in charge of that, so he doesn't have to worry about it going bonkers and lula and going all over the place and annoying you and hurting you. It can't do that because he's in charge of the settings. It has a memory, but it doesn't have a memory of its own to think, oh, I'm going higher now. It's your doctor tells it when to hire on the iPad when he changes the settings and stuff, and he tells it when to stop hiring. Like I said, my nurse doctor set it to 1 milliamp, and after it reaches that highest point, which is the 1 milliamp, it won't go any higher. So that's the day and night time. That's the scheduled programming I was telling you about. I know you were saying to your doctor, you were talking to him about it or something, and he wasn't sure I was looking into it, or I don't know. But my model is the Sentiva model. Now, I don't know what model you have yourself. It could be the Aspire SR. It could be a Demi Pulse. I don't know what model you have, but mine is the Sentiva. So, like I said to you, if you don't have the Sentiva model, want that function, the pre-programming or the day and nighttime programming, my advice is to not just go for it and get another operation. Wait till your battery runs out, completely dead. Then go back to your surgeon or doctor and say, could I have the next model, which is the Sentiva model? Ask for it then, but just don't go for it just because you still have used up the battery that you have. There's no rush on getting this function, even though you would like it. There's no rush. Just wait for your battery to run out before you go flying off to get it. That's my advice to you. I hope you can take this advice on board. Any more questions, anything like that, leave a comment and I'll try and I'll either comment. If the comment's too long, I'll make a vlog for you instead. Okay. Talk to you soon. Sign, subscribe.